Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. Today I am recreating Nanaaba's crunchy fried chicken steak. Guys, this recipe was super good. The day I watched her video, I was praising her, telling her how could one attempt to her perfection. But she told me that I can do it. So I am here today to recreate the recipe. First thing she normally does is to wash her hand. So I'm going to wash my hand first before introducing the ingredients. First, I will tenderize our steak. So guys, chicken fried steak is all about juicy piece of steak fried like chicken. So I'm going to show you what I'll be using for the frying. So here are my ingredients for the steak. This is my tenderized steak. I have all-purpose flour. I am using corn flakes because my sister Nanaaba said you can use cornflakes. So here is my cornflakes and 2 eggs. I have black pepper, chicken seasoning, salt, and my whole milk. We are going to be making broth for this steak. So I have my ingredients for the broth. Here are the ingredients for the gravy. I have my fresh parsley, onion, chili flakes, spicy chorizo, corn flour, and heavy cream. I have my chicken broth. First, we'll start by breading our steak. Over here, I have my bowl. I'm going to add in the flour, then add black pepper, some salt, and chicken seasoning. Then whisk until everything is well combined. Next is our egg and milk mixture. Next, add the milk. Pinch of crushed black pepper and a pinch of salt. Okay, everything is ready. I'm going to set it this way. So the next step is to do this. Shake off the excess flour. And now add here. Now I'm going to prep my ingredients for the gravy. Okay guys, we are done prepping all the ingredients. Now it's time to fry our steak. Now gently drop it and fry on a low heat. Now I'm going to use the same pan to make our gravy. I just added the chorizo. I'm going to stir fry it before adding the onion. Now I'm going to add the onion. Super delicious. Okay guys, we are done cooking. This recipe is super. Guys, oh my days. Thank you, Nanaaba. Thank you for this recipe. I so much love it. I love the crunchiness of this steak. This is my own. I was so intimidated to try this recipe, but finally I was able to do it. Thank you so much, my sister. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. I sincerely appreciate. So my kids cannot wait to dig into this food. So thank you, and always be positive. Love you all. The food is ready and it's super yum. Bye guys.